this, every way, every day.
Get ready to go, Fujo! So the phonetic language is there to help us understand how to speak better. We have created an international phonetic language, which I'm going to show you a book in just a moment. Fujo and I, yay, are going to show you a book on what you might read to understand phonetic language. With speaking with distinction. It's a very important book. And Edith Skinner wrote that book. Right here. It's a phonetic language. So in the phonetic language, it's the process of voice and speech. And it's the sounds of spoken English. The International Phonetic Language is the IPA. It's an overview of the vowel sounds of spoken English, an overview of the consonant sounds of spoken English. We look at the front vowel sounds as in li, which is this lowercase I. That's part of the IPA. When we go down here, it's one little dash, looks almost kind of like a small L, as in will. The regular E is as in let, and then there's this thing right here. This is an important one in the phonetic language. You'll find these in dictionaries, and other books too, but mostly different dictionaries. And this one right here is the A and the E as in pat. This one is a regular A as in pass, and it's a comparison of the front vowel sounds. The mid-vowel sounds, we have this little backwards 3 as in stir. We have a smaller A as in surprise. It looks like a rooftop, and that represents, or as in cup. Very interesting. It's a mid-vowel. Comparison of the mid-vowel sound. The back vowel sounds, which sound very German kind of, is like the U as in who. And this one as in you. Okay? It's like a J and a U as in you. Then we have a U as in wood. Okay? And these are different right here. The larger U as opposed to the small u. Then the O, regular O is an obey. And the backward C with the semicolon, or actually the colon, the backward C with the colon as in all. Then we've got the backwards A as in honest, A as in fathers, and that'll be the comparison to the last 3 back vowel sounds. We also study the diphthong and the triphthong sounds. And these show some of them. Here's the A and the U as in now, or the A and the U with this little umlaut looking thing as in go. And the backward C with the I with a little umlaut as in boy. And these are all interesting too. We also have some always short diphthong sounds as in R, which Texans love this word. We love the R. Here is the I and the backwards E as in here's, or the other backwards 3 and this little thing as in there. Here's one as in pour, or, and car. In Texas, we love to use the R like car, but it's actually car. So we have to learn to drop our tongue, car, rather than car. But we do say car, In the North, they say ka. You go park the car. So it's actually a balancing between car and ka, as in car. So that's the real way to say car. Car. Sounds almost like you're saying crow or something. It's weird. It's car. These are. It's interesting. These diphthongs. Diphthongs are very interesting in Texas. You have the 2 triphthong sounds, the rising diphthong, and all of this is the IPA. It goes on and on and on. And you could probably get your master's in college, or even maybe your PhD, in just this type of standard phonetic alphabet. which is basically from this publishing company right here. And it's edited by this person, Dylan Mansell, but it's Edith Skinner. It's a really good one. For any actor or person in the media, YouTuber, and I would suggest this book here. And if you look, I would also suggest to get a copy of this speech right here, which is in As You Like It, Act 2, Scene 7. And it goes over all of the sounds. You can do this daily and make notes, find little notes that you, like I put my own note, reputation. But if you look here, it has the J, reputation, reputation, rather than reputation, reputation. So that's how we break it up so that we have non-regional speech and we become merely players. Right, Fujo? Yay! So Mom is somewhere here, so I'm gonna be here for a while, looking around. There's just no way this is going to be a long. This would be too much. Oh, okay. Okay. So did you find it?
Not the patches.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll look on the other side. Here. Somewhere in here.
Take some time to give a shout out to all of our peeps. This means you, Yellow Bunny, Big Chick, and you, Green Pea, for others to die. Happy Easter from Walmart Radio.
But these are more like for pins. Like, you know, you take a pin and you know, and then you have a little note on there, you know, I think. These are a little bit more, but these are, well, just like just like you would a photograph or a painting or something, just on the wall. This is a Swingline red stapler.
Yeah.
It's actually made by Swingline. They used to not have these. Do you know what this is worth? This is a red Swingline stapler. It's actually by Swingline. These were, until Office Space came out, they did not make these by Swingline right here. I swear, this is very rare. Very rare. Right there, it's a Swingline red stapler. It's amazing. Burt Reynolds kind of, probably something like this right here. Usually it's an aisle by aisle thing, and they kind of get loose. And they go kind of around pretty quick, you know. They just kind of get loose, kind of thing. Then you gotta retrieve them back in, you know. That's a new one.